Hello to everyone. I am Professor Raja, working as Assistant Professor, EC Department, SNS College of Technology, an autonomous institution, Coimbatore. In this YouTube video, I am going to discuss the 8251 USART. USART means Universal Serial Asynchronous Receiver Transmitter. That is, it is a 28-pin dual in-package IC. In general, it is represented as 8251. It is made up by Intel Corporation Limited. So it is a programmable chip designed for synchronous and asynchronous serial data transmission. It consists of 28 pin. Later I will tell what are all the individual 28 pins. The main purpose of USART is it converts the parallel data into serial stream of bits suitable for serial transmission. It also do the process of it receives a serial stream of bits and convert it onto parallel data bytes to be read by a microprocessor. So because of this, using this, the microprocessor either taking a serial input and converting into parallel output or vice versa. That is, it will also take the parallel input and convert into serial output. So this is the basic blocks of this 8251. The above figure shows the first 15th pin, how it can be used, and the 28th pin is for data communication, and the below figure shows the individual application of each block diagram. So this is the important and noted concepts in this 8251. The 8251 consists of 7 important blocks. One is the data bus buffer, where we have do all the data communication through this data bus buffer. Normally it is do the serial communication process. Next, the read-write control logic, where we can do the read operation and write operation in general. Next, the modem control for transmission and receiving purpose. Then the right hand side, transmit buffer, it will convert a parallel communication into a serial communication. Then a transmit control, where we have to transmit all the process information to the next output device. Then finally the receiver buffer, then the receiver control. So the USRT, the right hand side output side consists of both the transmitter, also the receiver. That is why it is called as a transceiver. Transceiver means one component consists both the transmitter and the receiver. So now we can see individually. First block is read-write control logic. It is the interface the chip with the memory processing unit. It determines the functions according to the control word. It also monitors the data flow. Next one is the transmitter, that figure right hand side. It converts parallel word received from microprocessor unit into serial bits. It transmits serial bits over transmission line to a peripheral. Receiver receives serial bits from peripheral. It converts serial bits into parallel word. It transfers the parallel word to the MPU, that is a memory programmable unit. Next, data bus buffer. This data buffer will do the process of over all directional communication. In general, this 8251 consists of 7 input-output lines, that is 7 0 to 8 bidirectional data buffers it will use. Then modem control, it is used to establish the data communication modems over a telephone line. CS is indicated in a red line, means it is a chip selected which is 1, that is low. Whenever this chip select is 1, 8251 is selected by MPU for communication. C bar, D bar means it is high. Whenever this control data pin signal is high, the control register or status register is addressed. When this C bar, D bar, that is control data pin is low, the data buffer is addressed. Control and status register is differentiated by WR and read bar signals respectively. Control means we have do the write operation. Data means we have do the read operation. Next, WR bar, it is a write logic. Whenever this writes in the control register, it sends output to the data buffer. This connected to low or MEMW, that is memory write control. MEMW means memory write control. Whenever this pin is low, then only the microprocessor will do the write operation. RD bar, that is read operation. Either it reads the status from status register or it accepts the data from the data buffer. This connected to either IOR or MER. MER means memory read. So whenever this is in read bar, then only the microprocessor will do the read operation. Reset means normal reset. Whenever the microprocessor enters the reset operation, it will do all initially from a starting to ending. CLK means clock signal. It is connected to the system clock necessary for communication with the microprocessor. Next, this is the control of chip select and control. Whenever CS bar is 0, C bar D bar is 1, read bar is 1, W write bar is 0, then the microprocessor write instruction in the control register. Whenever chip select is 0, C bar D bar is 1, RD bar is 0, WR bar is 1, microprocessor unit reads status from the status register. Whenever chip select bar is 0, C bar D bar is 0, RD bar is 0, RD bar is 1, WR bar is 0, microprocessor unit outputs the data into the data bus buffer. Whenever chip select is 0, C bar D bar is 0, RD bar is 0, write control is 1, microprocessor unit accepts the data from the data bus buffer. Whenever chip select is 1, remaining all functions are indicated as a cross function, then USART is not selected, that is the microprocessor will not take any further action from this memory. So in this YouTube video I will discuss what is the use of USART and what are the pins available in USART and some important sound blocks in USART. Next video I am going to detail the remaining blocks, that is now this I completed the data bus buffer and read write control logic. Next video I am going to discuss the use of modem control and transceiver control. Thank you for watching my video.